She ain't want no more chicken.
Wow, it's been a minute. Been a long time, right? Been a long time, man. Been making up excuses. Been doing a little bit of work, but hopefully we back, y'all. I'm trying to get back motivated. Been doing a lot of stuff. Been trying to make sure I'm making enough money to make sure I get the right stuff. I just had a brain fart, but what's up, guys? It is your boy Tony B, and we are back again with another lit video. And today I'm on my phone, on my iPhone, so I don't know what the quality is gonna be like. I got the camera upside down over here, but hopefully it's decent quality. But I'm gonna turn you around and show you what we got going on, y'all. I got the engine on the engine stand. Got one turbo off over here on the passenger side. The one that I thought was the culprit of the smoke. Gonna take a look at what we got here. Let me turn it over here. Me and my boy Keenan Zero Tread was looking at it earlier. As you can see, you know, it spins freely. You know, doesn't feel like it's grinding or anything. We do have a little bit of play, as y'all can see. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I don't know if that's bad enough for me to pay almost $700 a piece to get new ones or rebuilt ones. So I don't know what we're gonna do, y'all. Maybe I want to do it all right, but that's a lot of money to be spending, man. And I really want to enjoy the car. And for them to rebuild it, or shop to rebuild, or even me rebuild it, it may take a little while longer. I want to enjoy the car. I really haven't had time to enjoy it, man. But yeah, that's enough talking for me, man. I'm just gonna go ahead and I guess this video we're gonna be taking off this manifold, and well, I might not be taking the manifold off. I'm gonna take the turbo off, and we're gonna see if this side is any good. And we're just gonna keep going, keep trucking. And then I think next we're gonna do the oil pan, because you know that was one of our main issues. The oil pan leaking. I think the guy before did it, because it looks like the water pump is not old, but you know, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the TNT Garage channel. You know, things are a little bit more out of whack right now, but hopefully we get everything situated. But you know, y'all stay tuned, y'all.
Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord.
Delete orders!
Be cool.
Whole bun came out. What?
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
All right, y'all, we got the downpipe out. Looks like the bottom two bolts, they were in there kind of loose, but I don't see any reason why or any leakage, because as you can see, it's just black around. But got this off. Hopefully we can, dang, I wasn't even in the camera, but hopefully we can go ahead and get the rest of this off, and it's not gonna break any other bolts off. Hey there. All right, y'all.
What you doing, buddy?
Working on the car. I would have been had this out if I wasn't hitting it the wrong way. I have no excuse, y'all. I have no excuse.
See, I'm the best, man. I did it.
If y'all ain't see what I just saw, I just stripped the darn bolt, the last bolt. Or it's actually not even a bolt, it's a net. Just stripped the last one. This makes no sense. Oh, Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. I'm gonna go get some rest. I'm not even gonna forward this tonight. I'm done. I'm sorry, y'all.
You killing me, man!
All right, we on day 2 of not getting nothing done, and y'all just excuse me and the way I look. It's cold, man. It's snuggling season. But pretty much, I don't know if y'all can see up in there. You really can't see, but I had to end up drilling this bolt off, and I just hit it with a punch. So now we can get the turbo off. Let's take a look at it. Don't know what we're gonna go from there. I know we need to clean out this engine bay, start deleting some things. Know I'm gonna delete the Hicus. I need to like clean up this fuse box over there. I had a wire that got hot. Uh-oh. Let me move all this stuff off this dryer. My wife's gonna kill me, y'all. Let me hurry up.
Why do we keep doing that?
All right, TNT gang. We got the second turbo out. As you can see, we got both of the spinny boys out. Sorry for the sniffles. It's gotten a little cold out here in GA. But pretty much, man, I mean, it's spinning freely. I mean, it has a little bit of up and down on both. They feel exactly the same. And it was building boost, but just the way it looks, look at this, man. I mean, get it. This car has 200,000 miles on it. Turbos probably have the same amount because it seems like they were in there pretty well. So, man, I mean, to be honest with you, I'm going to see how much it costs to get them rebuilt, or, you know, to see how easy it will be to rebuild them. I don't know, man. I don't want to go through the hassle of putting everything back together and these bad boys, you know, still are bad. Let me tell you why, if you're new to the channel, why I am taking them out. On the driver's side, I had a lot of smoke. I was thinking it was the EGR because when I took the EGR off, there was a lot of oil in it, and that, you know, that goes straight to the exhaust. But it could be, you know, a seal in the turbo. So, and I was like, look, let's see if I can delete the EGR, and then we'll just go from there. The EGR, I couldn't get it out because it was so close to the firewall. So I was like, bro, I'm just going to go and yank out the engine. And then plus the oil pan was leaking. So, you know, you got to drop the cross member to pull the oil pan out. So it's just all that. So let me just pull it out. I pulled it out, and now I'm where I'm at now with a broken camera, and I'm using my iPhone. And I don't know how that sounds, but hopefully I get something else here soon because I can't keep doing this because I'm scared I might drop it right now. But I'm going to go ahead and clean up around here, organize some things, because look at this, man. Y'all know I don't do it like this, man. Well, yeah, I do. But I'm going to fix it up, man. I'm going to put all the bolts that I know where to go in the little organizer. And then I'll probably cut y'all back on later on, y'all. All right. See y'all soon. Even though this video ain't much, I said I was going to document everything, y'all. Everything will be documented.
Later.
All right, y'all. I guess I didn't clean up enough. Took me a little thumbnail, put a little 2 turbos there, engine in the background, Z in the back. Man, I ain't gonna get my deposit back because, golly, look at this flow, y'all. I might could do something with it, but I ain't worried about it. As you can see, I kind of cleaned up over there just a little bit. Don't look over there, man. That's where my little junk stuff is. I just throw it up there. I got to get better, y'all. I got to get better. I know. I just don't never had the time, man. If I had the time, you know, just to be in the garage, I think I'd be a little bit more organized, but I'm just making up excuses. But I want to tell y'all, thank y'all for watching the video. Thank y'all for rocking with me. Hopefully I have 2 videos before this one. I don't know what I'm going to upload and how I'm going to upload it, but I just want to say thank you. If you're new to the channel, thank you. If you're not new and you want to subscribe and you want to see some more lit videos, hit that subscribe button. Also, if you're not subscribed, if you are subscribed, it don't matter, hit that like button. Just want to say thank y'all again. Appreciate you for allowing me to do some stuff like this and having an excuse. Tell my wife to get another vehicle or another part. But yeah, thank y'all. Love y'all. Peace.